Hey y'all, it's your girl TNT and I'm back with a new video. I'm really excited for today because I've been waiting for a product like this to just fall in my hands, and Wigstensions Lace Spray is it, y'all. Like, I'm really excited to try this out. So basically what this is, it's a lace tint spray to help your lace, so your lace wigs, match the natural color of your skin. So anybody who wears lace wigs, y'all know the struggle, y'all know how hard it can be to get them to look natural. If you want it to match your skin, especially as a dark skinned girl like me, you have to go through bleaching, and then sometimes if you bleach it too long, you can mess up the wig, or sometimes some people prefer to use foundation and that can get kind of messy. So it's just a lot. It's very difficult, and this is here to make your life 10 times easier, girl or gentleman. Whoever's wearing the lace wigs, y'all need to try this out. So today I'm going to be reviewing this product for y'all and trying it out for the first time. I'm going to apply it to two different wigs. I have this curly wig, and then I also have a long straight wig I'm going to apply it to. So let's go ahead and get started. So currently there are 3 shades available, and they can all be mixed to make your perfect shade, or whatever shade fits right for you. And those 3 shades are Beige, which is perfect for fair brown and tan skin. Beige is a neutral yellow with cool undertones. Golden, ideal for medium toned skin. Golden is a mid-range brown base with warm undertones. And last, Mocha, which is best for dark skin tones. Mocha is a deep and rich brown with cool undertones. So to use the spray, you want to start by shaking your bottle well to mix the pigment and liquid ingredients. Next, you want to place your wig or unit inside out. If you have a wig stand, place it on the stand. If not, just lay something on a surface so that you don't accidentally stain whatever surface you're using. Next, you want to spray a couple light layers directly onto the clean lace, keyword clean. And you also want to use a hair dryer. Like, the hair dryer is actually necessary. Don't skip the hair dryer step, because when you use the tint spray, it's very wet. So you want to use a hair dryer or a blow dryer to make sure that you're getting that lace tint spray, dry. I use the hair dryer for about maybe 10 minutes the most on each wig to get it to be fully dry, because like I said, once you apply the lace tint spray, it is very wet, so you definitely want to use a blow dryer to make sure you dry it. So here's the moment of truth. What do you think? You look like it made a difference?
A little bit.
Should I put more on, or does it look okay?
You could you use that on your wig cap?
Huh?
Could you use it on your wig cap?
Probably, yeah.
I think you should use it on your wig cap. Cause you see how it's light right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You think that's for my wig cap?
Yeah, cause that's the wig cap stops right there.
Alright, y'all, so if you can see, like, it really matches my skin. I used to have a problem with, like, this lace always, like, low-key looking like lace, but, you know, it looks a lot more natural now, like, just from some tint spray. Do y'all see that? Like, I could probably put a little tiny more at the front, but other than that, like, this looks like scalp. Like, you can't tell me this don't look like scalp. It's lit. I'm excited. So now I'm about to do the same thing with the frontal, so let's do that. I know in my frontal I did have a little bit of glue left on it, but I washed it several times and that's the best I could do. So try to make sure that the lace is clean before you use the spray. For more effective results, it's always great to have the knots on your wig bleached because the color shows up a lot better. Alright, y'all. So, I just did my other lace wig. This is actually a frontal. So, I didn't glue it down, but you can literally see, like literally, y'all. I'm sorry I don't have a rat tail comb, but I'm trying to get y'all to see how, like, it blends with my skin. I could probably put a little more on the edges. But I usually do edges when I wear this wig, so there's no point. But, wow. This lace tint spray is everything. Oh, dang it. I forgot to do a before and after. But, as you can see, like, literally, this isn't even glued down and it looks natural. So, alright, y'all, so as you can see, I'm actually living for this lace tint spray. Like, it really has my frontal and my closures looking natural. Like, I'm gonna be using this on every wig I get. This is about to be my go-to product, and it should be yours as well. So before I go, let me finish telling y'all the pros of this spray. So not only is this spray bomb and easy to use, but it also has antibacterial properties in it, which helps keeps the lace on your wig from getting, you know, like dirty and just bacteria growing and all that stuff, because that can happen, especially if you don't wash your lace fronts. So it has antibacterial in this lace tint spray. And not only does it have the antibacterial, it also has a nice pleasant rose scent. Like, it actually smells good. It doesn't smell like chemicals. And y'all know if you ever sat there and bleached your lace front, that bleach smell be killing your nose, your eyes, like it be killing you low-key. Get your lace tint spray. I really love it. Like, I'm so here for the Wigstensions Lace Tint Spray. What I use to get the perfect match for me is I combined both Mocha and Golden, and I used a good amount of pumps. So yeah, I'm excited to continue using this product, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hoped it helped. I'm sorry I forgot to do before and after pictures. I'll see if I can dig some up and figure it out. But other than that, it's been TNT. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. See you in my next video. I think it's like 8%, 8 or 10% are from Brazil.
Oh, she said, what's the secret?
I didn't say what's the secret.
For YouTube? For YouTube.
Oh, to
consistency.
Consistency, and when you have something go viral, it's always nice. But